How to clear search sessions on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can clear your search sessions on Instagram. Now if you open up Instagram app, you'll get an interface like this. Now tap on the search bar or search button at the bottom of your screen, tap on it, and here you'll be able to search for things and you'll see your recents here. Now it's quite simple to clear your recents. You can simply tap on the cross icon that you can find beside your recent search, simply cross, and then it'll be removed. Now however, here you'll find search sessions as soon as you head to search. Now this can be quite annoying and not of your interest, so what you can do if you want to remove them is there is no any option to clear search sessions. But if you don't like a particular video on this session, what you can do is open up the session or open up the post that you don't like and then tap on the three dots that you'll find along with the post on the top right corner of the post. Tap on it and here tap on the not interested option. Now if you want to report the post, you can simply tap on report and report this post. However, if you just want to remove it, simply tap on three dots and tap on not interested option, and if you head back you can see the post will be removed, and once it gets cleared you'll get to see the less of such post on your search session. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.